Hey, what's up guys? Michael here with WarpDriveM. Welcome to a new episode. In today's episode we are going to retrofit a folding back seat on the E90 because as you can see here I just have one piece back seat and one piece the seat itself, and it's kind of annoying because I cannot carry anything in this car, and I have like construction site with this house, and E39 is sold, and that's why I need to be able to fold the back seat. So in order to do that we are going to need another back seat. So let's begin. I found a back seat from another car. It's the same color. So in order to remove this we have to undo some bolts. Let me try to show you what I mean. These two, and the back seat should come off, and this side as well in here. And I want to show you that underneath as well, two bolts, that has to be in here and here. It's out. Now I have the place to install the new one. So let's drive there and buy the new back seat. So I set the Navi, the back seat is off, and it's way far than I thought. I have to drive like 200 kilometers one way just to pick up the back seat. It started to rain and it's already dark. That's nice. And almost 10 o'clock and I'm home, and the new seats are here and all covered. You cannot see it, but I'm gonna show you in the morning. This is it. So stop right here. Do you notice some difference? You are correct and you are wrong. This is not leather, as you can see in here and here, and this is leather, because it was way cheaper to buy this one. It's in the same color, and I need to fold the back seat because I have construction, like I've said, and maybe you know, with the house, and I need to carry some stuff. And this came with the brackets. That's a big plus for me because I thought I had to buy some brackets, and here as well. And what I'm curious now is if the brackets from the seat are in the same spot with the brackets from the car. So I have to, as you can see, I have the original brackets in here are plugged. Already put the back seat, but it's something wrong because check this distance out. Maybe I've done something wrong, and of course I've done something wrong. Put this bracket in here, and by the way it aligns perfectly with the factory holes, but this is wrong because I have to turn the bracket like this, and I've put it the other way around, and as you can see it's gonna be flushed. Here the two parts of the back seat are together with this metal that goes from one to another one, but I have a bracket in here that I don't use, so I think I'm missing something. I'm gonna look on the diagram. I have a diagram for the back seat. I'm gonna put the diagram on the screen now. I'm gonna look if I've done something wrong, and in the meanwhile I'm going to take that bolt out and put it in the right position. And I'm missing plastic, this one, because I have just one in here, and on the other one I don't have anything. Yeah, now it's flushed, as I've put the bracket in the right position. Yeah, and it's always something, of course, it's always something. By the way, this is the original bolt, and my old back seat, it has just one. Yeah, and as you can see, the other one is one of mine, but it doesn't matter. But like I've said, it's always something. I put everything together and I forgot to take the plastic cap. This is from the other side, and it's right there. Now I have to take everything apart. I hope I can do it from here. Maybe if I turn the bracket in one side. Yeah. So done. The old locks, but this one are not good for this type of back seat, because I need a cable and the handle to remove it. So the handle will come in here somewhere. Yeah, one here, and I need two locks and two handles with cable. So tomorrow I think I will receive that. These are the locks and the cable, the handles, all in here should be. Let's crack this open. Haha, everything is in here. The handles, cables, and the locks. Yeah, now that I have all the parts, yeah, I received the parts. I've ordered all the parts directly from BMW. It was dirt cheap, like 26 euros. Yep. So we have the handles, cables, the locks. We have the cable holders in here. Yeah, maybe you need a part number. Just pause the video for the part number. That one. We have this plastic that goes with these screws. Yeah, and you have the part number in here. Yeah, so this plastic goes into the chassis of the car, and with these screws we are going to tighten the handles. I've ordered the second plastic for the sides of the seats. Yeah, and you will have the part number in here. The bracket, the middle bracket, you will have the part number in here. And I even ordered the original bolts for this bracket, and the part number, I have no idea where is it. But anyway, I'm going to put the schematic once again on the screen now. So yeah, now let's put everything together. Okay, so the sides are done. Yeah, these ones that comes on the side of the back seat, the clips are in. Now we have both of them. Yep, I'm going to use a T50, yeah, in order to unscrew the back seat again, because I need to install that bracket in here. And now you can see clearly where the locks goes. So it's gonna be like this in here, and from underneath the bolts will be screwed in. But I'm gonna do this last, because I need to put the wire, the cable in, and it's a hole in there I hope I can do that. Okay, so let's do some work. Now that I removed the back seat, I have to figure out how this bracket comes, this way or the other side. I'm going to use these two original bolts, yeah. So I'm gonna, like I've said, I'm going to figure out how this comes this way or the other way, or it doesn't matter. But I noticed that it has a shape, yeah, a round corner, and the other one is straight. Oh, or maybe I can put it exactly like this one, round corner and straight. Finally, whoo, what a struggle. So I've put the bracket first with the bolts, because otherwise you cannot put the bolts anymore, yeah. So I've put the bracket, I've put this side with that bolt, yeah, and I've ended up taking this bracket out. Because of this bracket I couldn't align the two parts to slide through that metal. So anyway, that's done. Bracket in place, bolts are in, that's done as well. I just have to put the bracket back here. I hope I will find the thread. Yeah, as you can see, it's kind of tricky. I'm gonna try my best. If not, I don't know any other method. So it's not that easy as it seems. Just to see how idiot I am, I've installed the bracket, but check this out. I forgot about the seat belt. Now I'm in the trunk. I've tested a few times this handle where it's going to slide the plastic tabs, yeah, and where I should put this plastic nuts for the ball, for the screws, yeah. You have to test it first, because if you put it in the wrong way and you want to take it out, it's almost like sure that you will break some plastic clamps, yeah. That's why you have to test it a few times first. So let me try to put the camera in there to show you. As you can see, this round plastics goes on that hole. We have a long nozzle in here, yeah. It's going to fit the other hole. Okay, and where the other ones are blank, you will put the plastic nuts, yeah. I've fed it the cable through there till here, yeah. I'm going to put the lock now. I'm going to put the cable first, and after that I'm going to tighten the lock. Lock installed, yeah. Cable installed as well. The bolts are in. It's tight. Everything installed, yeah. Cable, lock, and I just wanted to show you. Check this out. Perfect. The plastic nuts are perfect aligned with the holes from the handle, yeah. Now we are going to use the original bolts. Whoa, very hard to stay in the trunk and to do some work. Okay, yeah, this is the last update, and I'm gonna show you just the end result, because it's not that complicated anymore. And now la pièce de résistance. Yeah, I'm going to install the cable holder. That's one. Oh man, it's new and tight. Okay, I cannot do this with one hand. I'm going to install another one on this side. So the cable holders are in place, yeah, for more leverage. And as you can see, everything works, but it's open now. Now we can test it. Now it's the moment of truth. I put the sides on, yeah, we have the plastic clips are tight in place. We are closing the back seats for the first time. This is tight. Okay, so yeah, that's a great sound. Let's see this one. Yep, nice and sturdy. Okay, everything is in place. Now let's go in the trunk and see if the locks work. Okay, so we have the handles here and here now. First side, yeah, nice. The second part, great. Haha, works. Job done. One handle, the second handle, cables routed, cables holder, everything is in place, everything works. So I'm really proud of myself. Pretty much that's about it. I hope you find this video useful. I've done it. I'm happy with the result. Everything works, everything is OEM, original parts I've used. I hope this video helped. During the video I put some schematic for the back seat, and you have there the part numbers and everything. Until next time, see you later.